Well, I guess it's time for my second night. So I got my mask, got my flashlight, and my camera. So I'm back. Wait. Poster. Okay. Hello. See, I told you your first night wouldn't be a problem. You're a natural. But now I'm sure you've noticed the older models sitting in the back room. Those were from their previous location. We just use them for parts now. The idea at first was to repair them. They even started retrofitting when someone was in newer technology. But they were just so ugly, you know? And the smell. So they decided to go to a homemade direction and make them super kid friendly. Those older models shouldn't be able to walk around. If they do, the whole Redbird trick should work on them too, so whatever. I love those old characters. Have you ever seen Chuck the Pirate? Oh wait, Chuck. Oh yeah, Chuck. Hey listen, that one was only a bit twitchy. I'm not sure the Redbird head trick would work on Chuck. For some reason when he activates during the night, and you see him standing at the far end of the hall, just flash your light at him some time of time. Those older models get a little disoriented with those bright lights. It was called a system restart or something. One more thing, don't forget the music box. I'll be honest, I never liked that puppet bird. Oh wait, thinking it can go anywhere. I don't think the Redbird head will fool him, so just don't forget the music box. Anyway, I'm sure that won't be a problem. Have a good night, and I'll talk with you tomorrow. What? There's more animatronics gonna come at me? A marionette bird? A Chuck the Pirate? What kind of place is this? I need to check the cameras. So let's wind up the music box. Oh, what the heck is that? Oh my god, is that like the mango thing? The one I saw in the Kids Cove? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh crap. Jay and Matilda are gone. Okay, nothing here. Get out! Hey, get out of the camera! Okay, let's just check the hallway. Hey! Oh! Oh god! There's Matilda. She's at the hall. Alright, let's check the cameras. Let's go. Changle's gone! Alright, let's wind it up. Okay. Okay, that's enough. Wait, what do you mean by the parts and service? Let me just check the show stage. Of course Red's gone. Okay, let's check the hall. Oh god! That's Changle right there! Right there's Changle. She's hanging from the ceiling. Alright, let's check this parts and service thing. Oh my god! So they're the old ones? One of them has no face. One of them has a messed up mouth. One of them has no eyeball, and one of them is just, I don't know how to explain it. Alright, let's wind this up. Put it on. Oh no, he's here as well. There we go. Okay, let's check some more cameras. Oh my god, Chuck is gone. Okay, let's just check the light here. Oh my god, Chuck! Hey, get out, get out! He's a flashlight. Come on. Okay, I'll just check the cameras. Wait a minute. Where'd that pig go? What the heck? Shut up! Stop laughing! Stop laughing! Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Get out! Get out! You two! Get out! You two! Chuck is still in the hole. Get out! Get out! And why won't you go away? Oh my god! Huh? Oh my god! It's another pig? You look like a girl! Shut up! Get back in that vent! You too! Oh, there we go. Let's just check the cameras. Wait, there's only one thing I forgot. Oh crap. Oh crap. He's coming out. Holy, is that the marionette? Ah! Yes, I won 6 a.m. again. Awesome. Yeah.